So, Mr. Mittal,
Yes, sir.
what is your optional subject?
Sir, political science and international relations.
Who is your favorite thinker?
Sir, from Indian political thought, Chanakya.
Would you consider Gandhiji as a political thinker?
Sir, Gandhiji never proclaimed himself a political thinker, but
Neither did Chanakya.
yes, sir.
So, who is to decide who is a political thinker?
Sir, if that thought could be used in politics, and there is a school of thought like Gandhism, there is a followership of Gandhi. So we can say there is a existence of school of thought of Gandhi.
So, who is your favorite? Chanakya, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what attracts you the most?
Sir, the realism of Chanakya,
Such as
that he tells what actually happens in the world of politics. That a ruler should be clever like a lion and he should be clever like a fox.
similar things have been said by this Machiavelli.
Yes, sir.
So, why not him and him, Chanakya?
Sir, Machiavelli gives absolute power in the hands of a ruler. However, sir, in the Chanakya thought, ruler is under the dharma, and dharma is the welfare of the people. So that is the basic difference between Chanakya and Machiavelli.
So, you are undergoing training right
Yes, sir.
now. Have they taken you for any Bharat Darshan or something?
Sir, we have Delhi Darshans every Friday.
No other place of the India?
Sir, in March we have a plan of UT Darshan where we'll be taken to Andamans, Lakshadweep and Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli.
Okay. Suppose your training program also included one state, suppose Gujarat,
Yes, sir.
and the training director, he gave you the option that Mr. Mittal, you decide any 3 places. I have budget only for 3 places and we'll take the probationers there. So
Yes,
then
sir.
which places would you like to see?
Sir, in Gujarat,
Yes.
sir, firstly I would like to go to Statue of Unity.
Second.
Sir, Sabarmati riverfront,
Then
and sir, Run of Kutch.
Not ashram?
Sir, Sabarmati Ashram.
No, you are telling riverfront Sabarmati, not ashram.
so
Yes, sir, that whole area.
yeah, so Mr. Mittal, the objective of training is to inculcate your administrative capacities. So what will you gain by visiting the Run of Kutch other than sightseeing?
Sir, Run of Kutch has been an example where the desert has been converted to a tourism site. So we can learn that how
What else can be learned from administrative perspective?
Sir, Run of Kutch is also famous for the salt production.
Anything else comes to mind? Some natural disaster, something.
Sir, earthquake.
So what can you learn from that?
Sir, how the people are adapted to that disaster so that we can inculcate other.
In Diu Daman, who is the final authority in the administrative hierarchy?
Pardon me, sir, where?
Diu Daman,
Yes, sir.
who is the final authority in the administrative hierarchy?
Sir, final authority is president. However, the powers are delegated to administrator there.
Administrator. Now suppose you are progressing and reaching that spot,
Yes, sir.
and someone writes to the Honorable Prime Minister that we should impose prohibition in Diu Daman. And the Prime Minister has sought your opinion as the administrator. Give me yes, no. Please tell.
Sir, I would like to know the reasons why the prohibition should be.
The reasons are well known. Bihar has done it. Gujarat has done it.
Sir, prohibition on alcohol?
Yes, prohibition on alcohol.
Okay, sorry, sir. Sir, I would. Sir, that would depend on the. Sir, how many people are involved in the business of the liquor also? How many people would be affected by that decision?
Whatever 4 or 5 restaurant owners may be there, who else is going to affect it?
Sir, tourism will also get will be getting
The health
affected.
is also need to be seen, no?
But sir, that is
There
what
is prohibition in Gujarat, therefore people go to Diu Daman to drink liquor and then come back home. So either there should be or no, yes or no, that is my question.
Sir, I would say no to the proposal.
Why so?
Sir, because sir, I believe that to discourage anything, prohibition is not the way because that leads to black marketing. Sir, even if we prohibit that, there could be a possibility that bootlegging would be promoted there. And sir, tourism would also be affected in the Daman and Diu. So sir, I think the proper way would be to pursue people and to sir, highlight the negatives of the alcohol drinking. That I believe, sir, is the better way rather than
In your DAP
prohibiting.
form, you have given I don't want to use the Delhi Augment as home cadre. No.
Yes, sir.
So why so?
Sir, the reason being, sir, I wanted to be in a state as an IAS, and sir, Haryana being close to Delhi, that is why, sir, I chose Haryana.
So that is all from my side.
So thank you very much. We shall just request you to come after 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.